Creating a quote on the Webstore is a quick and simple process. You can get to the Create a Quote page through the main navigation under Tools and Solutions, or using the navigation in the top right of the screen, or using the navigation in the My Account section, using the link on the left here. Adding items to a quote is very similar to adding items to the cart and can be done through the quick view screen on a product category or manufacturer page. Quick view, add to quote. It can also be done through the product detail page, so clicking into the product itself, add to quote, or you can add directly from the Create a Quote page itself. I'll go to the Create a Quote page, and use the Quick Add section here. Items added to your quote list are saved until you create the quote. So if you log out, then back in, they will still be there. Quantities can be adjusted, items can be removed, and new products added using the Quick Add search bar. I then can update quantities. I can remove or add further products. When ready to create your quote, enter a reference or project name, an estimated ship date, confirm the shipping address, and add any message you would like to send with your quote to your account manager, who will be sent a copy. If I need to change the address, I can add a new one here. Send a message to your account manager. If the project is likely to convert to an order that's financed using our split pay scheme, please enter the additional information in the space provided. Click the button to create your quote, which can then be viewed in My Account. I click Quotes on the left-hand navigation. I can then click into the quote I've just created. Unfortunately, changes can't be made to a quote on the Webstore, but they can be done by your account manager in our back-end system. It is, though, possible to create a copy of a quote, which allows you to make the changes that you need to make before saving it. So perhaps I wanted to change the quantity on one of these items, but I can't edit the quote to do that directly. But what I can do is click on Copy Quote. This is just asking me to confirm that I'm happy to proceed, and this will take me back to the Create a Quote screen with the same items already added in there. I can then make the changes that I want to make, change the quantity here, enter the project name again. I can use very similar reference to before, put it as version 2. Enter ship date again. If I want to add the same message, I can do in the space provided there, and then create quote. I can go directly to the quote from this link here rather than having to go to the list of quotes on the left-hand side.